supermodel Nilma, so she had a gorgeous hair. It was so long, but it had no texturizing and layer. So I did create a beautiful step layer for her, so she did not lose the length. We just only create a nice step layer for her. So I only see her like once a year, right? When was the last time? I saw her like, I don't know, like 10, 12 years ago, and she let her hair grow longer until I come to Dubai Beauty World and cut her hair. So I will see her again next year, October 30th, and I'm gonna add even more layer in the back next year for her. So from shorter to the long, but today I only did most framing in the front. As you could see, she's gorgeous, but next year I promise her we will do even more layer. I want to thank you to Nilma, my beautiful model, and I will see you for sure
definitely
next year. Stay tuned, be Jeff Racy, the latest haircut 2023.